This is a cucumber that I pollinated when this was in the small greenhouse, and this has been this size for well over a month. I'm waiting for it to get soft, and why I did this is because this is a parthenocarpic cucumbers. So yeah, I'd pollinated this one because the first few flowers were male, but ever since it's put on nothing but females. As you can see there, I got one coming on there and there. Nothing but females. And parthenocarpic means it's gynaeceous parthenocarpic, which means they produce all females. And parthenocarpic means they don't need to be pollinated by anything, by man, by hand, or wind, or anything. They grow on their own. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut this off whenever I feel that the seeds are fully mature, because it's selfed with the very first couple flowers here, and I'm attempting to grow out parthenocarpic seed to see if I get the same plant. Alright, there's a cucumber. Let's cut it open and see what we get in this thing. That is the seed. It's not a whole lot, actually. There's a good bit there, but not as much as I expected. I'm going to take a spoon and scoop it out, and we're going to ferment it. That was beyond easy. Just take that spoon, run it down here like this while holding it over the glass vertically. The cup there. And man, it just all came out. There's a good bit of seed in there, actually. Okay, this is the moldy, nasty stuff on top. So what we're going to do is the same way I do it with tomatoes. I'm going to add some water to it and shake it up. And all we're going to do is give it a chance to settle for just a second and pour it off. Okay, add a little bit more. Let it settle for just a second. Pour it off. Do the same thing. Doing it in real time so you can just see how easy it is. Pour it off. See all those floaties coming off? Whoop. It's settling. It's getting clearer and clearer with every pour. Stop it just before the seeds come out. This is really easy. It does not have to be complicated at all. Tomatoes, anything you ferment can be this easy. Alright, it's mostly clear now. I'm going to do it a couple more times and I'll show you what's next. You can get almost all the seed out, or all the water out of by just doing that a few times, and that seed is very clean. Now, I've got a paper towel here and a paper plate and an extra paper towel. Now I'll show you what I do. It's real difficult. Watch. Okay, there's a couple in there. I'll fish them out with my hands, and then all you have to do is just pull them right off this plate like this. Let me do that. It's all of them out of the cup now, and you can kind of spread them around if you want. Now if there's a little bit of water, all you got to do is get this napkin next to it. In fact, you can just push this around like such, and this napkin, paper towel, will draw up any excess water. Do that a few times and essentially you have damp seed. And about an hour from now, that dampness will be gone. There'll still be a lot of moisture in it, but I'll bring you back what we do at that time. There it is, sort of separated. I'll leave it in here in the spare bedroom on this little TV table, and we'll come back in an hour, and all we're going to do is just move it a little bit so it doesn't stick to the plate. Okay, here we are less than 2 hours later, and you can see that they stick. But if you get them within a pretty short amount of time, they come off and separate real easy. From myself, from each other, and from the plate. Just kind of mix it like that just a little bit, and then a couple hours later you can come and do it again and they'll all be unstuck. Everything will work out great.
Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. We'll put a check mark next to it. If you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here. Check here, and hit save. You guys take care.